All I can show you is the aftermath. You guys are gonna have to watch this video to see how I made these tacos. Freaking delicious, fantastic, guys. Oh, putas, my mouth is burning. All right, guys, let's get into the salsa first, because the asada, it's gonna be very quick to cook. So I got some boiling water and I got some green tomatillos. It's gonna be a simple green salsa. The tomatillos I did wash and rinse. Then I got 2 jalapenos, and we're also gonna go in with a little bit of onion. It's gonna be a very simple salsa, guys. I'm gonna put this back on the burner. Every time I make carne asada, I need to have my pico de gallo. So let's just get started with the pico de gallo. I got a bunch of little tomatoes here. You know, just cube it up. You don't have to get all fancy. Just bite size. You don't want to bite into a big tomato. And I got these because the colors are popping. You know, when you cook some asada tacos and your pico de gallo just looks plain. Man, we gotta make it look good, guys. Just want to mention using the Kuma knife. I've been using it, guys. I haven't said it in my videos, but I do recommend it. I highly recommend it. It's a good knife, guys. A good knife. I don't want to recommend it unless I use it enough. So I do recommend the knife. We're gonna get the tips right here. And then the rest we'll save for the tacos. For the grill, it's pretty standard pico de gallo. Nothing too crazy. I got an orange. You know, we gotta have that citrus in there, baby. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. And we're also gonna put some lime. You move this to the side. Cannot forget the cilantro. Just take off a little bit right there. We'll chop this up as well. You know, fresh pico de gallo with tacos of asada. It just doesn't get any better than this, guys. You can put any seasoning. You can put SPG, salt, pepper, garlic. I'll put a little bit of this right here. Not much. Just go for a little quick taste test. Cheers, guys. This is delicious. I have 3 garlic cloves. Put the tomatillos in. This salsa is delicious, guys. You guys gotta try this out. Let's see here. Put this to the side. Get the jalapeno. Knock off the stem. Cut these in pieces. They can fit pretty good. Ooh, smells spicy. Just cutting it in half smells spicy. Gonna smash that in there so it can fit. Oh yes. Salsa's gonna be fire. Oh. That was very hot. I'm gonna get some of this orange. Just a little bit. Just a little bit. A little bit more lime. And all I'm gonna add is salt. That's it. I think that's pretty good right there. No water. If it needs water, we always can add water if it's too thick. Let me go ahead and blend this up. Stick around, I'll bring you right back. Just pour it in. Quick, simple salsa verde con tomatillo. Doesn't get any better than this, guys. No water was needed. The tomatillos have plenty of water as it is. Let's go ahead and give this a quick taste test to see if it needs any salt. Let's see. Perfect. Perfect and spicy. No salt needed. That salsa is delicious. So delicious. So far, we have our pico de gallo, and then we have our salsa verde for our carne asada. When you guys choose your meat at the grocery store, make sure it has all these white lines through the meat. This is fantastic meat, guys. So, with that said, let's get right into it. It's 2 pounds of ranchera. This is my favorite carne to make carne asada, guys. And the process is simple. Simple to get some good carne asada, guys. Check this out. I mean, you can doctor it up with all kinds of stuff. I'm just gonna go a simple marinade, nothing too fancy, nothing too crazy. So, and I am using Don Sazon. This is my go-to for carne asada. So this layer is already done right here. We go to the second layer. Pretty simple, pretty straightforward. Just like that, guys. Did I mention we're gonna make this on the pellet grill? We're gonna crank up that pellet grill as high as it goes. This is only gonna take a few minutes on the pellet grill. That's why I started with the salsa and the pico de gallo first, because that takes a little bit longer. And that's it, guys. This is it right here. Give this a quick mix. Let everything get married. It's gonna be good. I also got these sausages here. These are our favorite. Super spicy. And it goes perfect with some asada. I mean, when I say spicy, man, they're spicy. No joke. Just cut them up right here. All right, guys. Z Grills is at $475 and climbing. $480. I'm thinking this bad boy is going up all the way up to $500. Woo! This pit is hot, guys. Very, very hot. Let's go ahead and put our sausages in. Let me just grab him with the hand. It'll be faster. I don't want to lose that heat. We got some good heat going. Put our cebollas right there. Freaking smells fantastic, guys. Fantastic. All right, guys, I'm gonna close this up. I'm gonna let that go 2 to 3 minutes, and I'll bring it right back, guys. 2 minutes has passed. Let's check it out. Looking pretty good. Looking pretty good. Give this a nice quick turn. All right, guys, we'll come back in 2 more minutes. All right, 2 more minutes have passed. Looking really good. Oh man, get out of there. Starting to look real good. By the way, these sausages are fully cooked. Just want a quick taco. A little bit of cheese. Maybe a lot of cheese. Bomb, bomb, bomb. All right, guys, let me close this up. I'm gonna wait 2 more minutes and we should be done, guys. 6 minutes total. I'm gonna yank off the meat. Whatever you wanna do, whatever you do not overcook your meat. You will have dry carne asada. Pull off these onions. Ooh, check these tacos out. Starting to look mighty fine. Put that right here. 6 minutes to cook, guys. The number one key is do not overcook your meat. This meat's gonna be juicy, I guarantee you. So, let's put some here on the cutting board. Still nice and hot. I did not let it rest whatsoever. How long did I let the meat marinate? Maybe 20 minutes, guys. Not too long. So we're gonna just go ahead and cut it right here, guys. It's gonna be good. It's hard for me to work with the tongs there. Tacos right here. This is gonna be money right here. These tacos right here. Let's go ahead and assemble some tacos right here. Be bomb. Check it out. Got one taco there. And then we're gonna come in with our fresh pico de gallo. Guys. Excited about this. It's gonna be bomb tacos. And then we're gonna come in with our salsa verde. Oh yeah, baby. This sucker is spicy. Be generous. Just like that, guys. Little fresh squeeze of lime. Can't get over the pico de gallo. So refreshing. Tacos are probably one of my favorite things to eat, guys. If you made it this far, thank you, guys. Do me a favor and subscribe to my channel. It'd be greatly appreciated, guys. 2022 coming into 2023.